Horses out, Yabadabadur past the begin. Dixie Sky moving up the wari outside. Victorious Angel to take the lead. Victorious Angel, the leader by about 2 lengths. Dixie Sky in second. Biglang Buhos. And in fourth comes Yabadabadur moving up. Shepcut. Fastidious comes next alongside Footloose, Modern Stroke, Spoiled Brat, Kalangaman Island. Back to the leader. Red still. Victorious Angel by a length and a half. Biglang Buhos are outside second alongside third. Dixie Sky, Yabadabadur still in fourth. Here comes Fastidious, coming closer in fifth, and in sixth comes Shepcut. A Spoiled Brat also moving up. Footloose and Modern Stroke together with Blue Thunder. Red still, Victorious Angel by a length. Biglang Buhos are outside. Dixie Sky, Yabadabadur in fourth. Here comes Fastidious, together are outside. A Spoiled Brat and Footloose. Red still, Victorious Angel, Biglang Buhos are outside. Dixie Sky. And in third position, down or inside is Yabadabadur. Biglang Buhos running by the release. Victorious Angel. Victorious Angel, Biglang Buhos are outside. Dixie Sky. Modern Stroke finds an opening. Footloose on the other outside. It's now Biglang Buhos. Modern Stroke. Fastidious. Footloose now on the outside. Biglang Buhos. Modern Stroke finds an opening. Footloose. Modern Stroke. Footloose. And finally, it's going to be close. Footloose, Modern Stroke, Fastidious.
At ayun, partner, pinatayo pa tayo sa upuan ng ating resulta ng ating last and final race kung saan dikit nagkatalo. Numero 12, Modern Stroke, 11, Footloose. Si Fastidious, nandun din, partner.
Oo.
Ayan, so,